Okay, so we started on the 58 cab. As you can see, look at the size of this fucking chassis. This thing is huge, massive. Old 6-cylinder in it, and we tried to get it running. It actually's got good compression. It would have ran. We needed points in that, but there's no point spending the money and time on that when the guy's just getting rid of all this stuff anyway. So there's our cab. As you can see, the cab corners are completely rotted off it. Typical. You know, the steps, probably it leads into the steps a little bit. Door corners, which we already know about. It's hard to get underneath here. The floors are solid, except for a little bit in the front on the driver's side. This cab corner again is gone. You know, your typical dents and surface rust and all that bullshit. But other than that, it's a good cab. So, customers come and get this chassis out of here today. We took all the brackets off that we may need. Mounts and stuff, you never know, because like I say, we are bolting this. I believe it's a 94 or 95 Ford chassis it's going on, and I think it's a, oh god, I'm not a diesel guy, I think it's a 7.4, if that makes any sense, diesel that'll be running it. So basically gonna marry this cab into the other chassis over time here, and get all the body and paint work done on it. Then from there he's gonna take it and he's either gonna put like a pizza oven on the back or a barbecue truck, like a smokehouse. That's what he does. He's already got a couple of these trucks, and now he wants us to do some of these for him. I think his plan is to do one a year. He says he's got a field full of these things. Typical rust down in there going on. Yeah, up and behind you can see it all. But other than that, that's nothing I worry about around here. I mean, it's just, that's a little bit of rust. Some people would just be flipping out over that, and it's like, no. It's all we fucking do here is fix rust. So, anyway, that is the update on this. So we're gonna get this bad boy down off the hoist, get her sitting on a cart for now, take a little bit of a break on this, and go on to go on to the other one over there in the corner I've been working on. Actually, I'll show you real quick what we did here. Customer wants the door corners rounded. So, obviously I got the one door off over there. But if you can see the door in the corner, they're square. So he wanted to copy this roundness. As you can also see, the cab, all the drip rails are taken off. So he wanted to copy that roundness. So just make a cardboard template, and of course then we put it right here. Then you take the piece that you cut off the door and you just re-weld it to the body, and away you go. So of course you got to make sure you weld the door up when you open that up. You've split the seam way, so you got to weld that up. So there we go. That's what's going on there. Nice rounded corner. I like that. It flows a lot better. And it's a very subtle touch, I mean, for somebody that doesn't really know these trucks or cars, they would have no idea that that was done. They can kind of get a shot of both of them together. So that's what's going on. So hey, thanks for subscribing. Yes, we're getting the videos out there. My Instagram page is the place to go right now. It's kind of hard doing all these videos. But I got to get on this. We definitely got to get this straightened up. I promise you there's going to be lots. I've got one on the CUDA that's showing the quarter panel going step by step. I just got to get it pieced up and get it together for you on this channel. So anyway, Christmas is almost near. Doesn't mean you can't still work in the shop and drink a beer. So Merry Christmas to all, and get out there and get something done. Big thumbs up.